What are you focusing on with this second fund? Where do you see the opportunities lying for you that make it distinct?
Yeah. The second fund is very much the validation of our original thesis a couple of years ago. It's still very early in the Felix journey. When we invest, we back companies for the very long term. It takes 5, 7, 10 years to build a company. So we are very much humbled by the interest from the investors. But the premise behind Felix is that we believe that there is an opportunity to have a venture firm that focused on digital lifestyle. By this we mean the emergence of new digital-first brands led by founders, which are impacting the way we live our life, the way we are inspired in different lifestyle segments, from fashion to beauty to food to well-being. Everything is changing through digital, and so we are looking for those founders who have got a sense of what people want, who are building communities in a very authentic, organic way, and where we can help them build a business.
You're going to be writing checks for, is it $2 to $5 million? What sort of level do you see yourself going in at now? Because that's far bigger than a seed round. Is it Series A? Is it Series B? These numbers keep getting bigger each time.
That's true. That's why we want to be a flexible investor. We are not dogmatic on we want to be the first investor. We want to own so much of the company. We want to back the best founders in the segments we believe in, where we feel we have an angle and where we can see a very big opportunity.
How do you find those founders? How are you seeking them out?
It's both an art and a science. So we've got our tools. We use data. We look at signals. I mean, these days, using social media, you can track things. You can see, you can measure customer love, looking at number of likes on Instagram, on Twitter, and that kind of things. But at the same time, we are very founder-centric. So while we look at data, we like to see passion, we like to see emotion between consumers and a certain product, a service, or a brand. So we combine both art and science, and eventually our business is always about making decisions on partial data. It's never black and white, it's always gray, so you need conviction.